Yo, what's up guys? This is EIZY and I'm back again for another video review. This time around we're gonna take a look at this the most adorable Megami Device in my collection. We have the number 9 Megami Device SOL Raptor by Kotobukiya. Well, she's still in the SOL family after the third and the fourth design of Megami Device, the SOL Hornet and also the SOL Roadrunner. This is a SOL Raptor, a very big box with massive parts included, and also a flight type with a lot of parts that you can get from the previous Megami Device too. Move on with the main parts that she has. We have here the huge backpack here, the flying unit, and we also have this cool looking legs. Also we have the weapons here. There's two of them, but actually we can combine and separate them. And also there's a shield here, and we have this a loyal companion, the owl. Yeah, so cute. And I forgot that we also have this cool looking helmet that I will gonna show you. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like later on. And lastly we have the girl, the SOL Raptor. Just look at it. She's very cute. She has a very long hair. Even the hair pieces are mostly articulated, and the face expression are so cute. This side of this one, we have this one here, the crying face, and also this normal or maybe a blur face. She also comes with this water decal, and we have this part here for the awl, to attach the awl on her chest, and this blue tights here for her full body suit. Also same goes with this one here, and we have this neck joint, an extra one with the blue and the white color. And this piece here, we have this pointy hand, grabby hand. We have a set of fists, set of open hand, set of grabby hand. But there's a two version of this one. The first one has this joint here, articulated joint, while this one here has a straight one. Move on with the Raptor. So there's a action base included in this kit. There you go. So move on to the articulation. The head can move up about that far, down about that far, and downward like this far, backward like this far, side to side. There's an ball joint, a very tiny ball joint here, and also there's an articulation for the hair pieces here. Can move up like so, and can rotate. There's a ribbon here, ribbon piece, and this hair piece here can rotate like so. Same goes with this one here, can move up and down like so. So that's it for the head, and the body parts are the same like other Megami Device. Yeah, we have this articulation like so. Like this hand can move up. Oops. There you go. Can move up about this far. Swivel. I'm sorry about that. And it can move about this far, and then can rotate. There you go. So this upper part here, you can move down much about this far, and backward about this far, side about so, and like that. Oops, there we go. And for the legs are still the same. You move up about this far, like so, and there's a swivel here, and can move like so, down, and there's a pivot. There we go. To the backpack here. So the backpack is pretty huge and pretty long too. So we start with this one. Can move like so, and can move like that. There you go. And this part here can rotate. And need to move this one first. Okay, this one can move sideways, and there's a lot of packs here. And yeah, this one also can move. There's a lot of packs here. Either you want to use this one or shift it to this one here. Depends on your choice. And for this main part here, there's no articulation here. Same goes with this one too. There's no articulation there. And the west here also no articulation. Just for this piece here, these hinges here. So there's a plenty of option how you want to use these wings to create your own design of flying units. It depends on you. These are the weapons here. We have this orange blade, which is nice. We have a very small gun here. Actually, we can take this one off. It can become a gun. Also, we have this weapon here. Also, can we take off like that? And can simply put this one and do it like this. Cool. Leave it pistol like that. So move on to the legs. So the legs are actually pretty cool, and this is another spare wing that you can use wherever you like. You have a lot of option here, either here or here or here, depends on you, or you can put it here too. This is another wing, a small wing. So for the leg, we have this landing gear here, which can be rotate, can move up and down like so, and this can move about this far. This can move about this far, and move forward about this far, and there's a pivot here too, and you can move about this far unless you pull out this landing gear. You can move like that more. And also this piece here can move like that and like that. There we go. So this is for the legs, and we have here this shield. This shield can do it like that. So just grab it like so. All here, a very cute one. This is for the full armor mode. This all is gonna be her on her chest. We're gonna transfer some part of this all onto this chest piece. Before that, I just want to show you guys the articulation. Nothing much, just the wing can rotate about that far. Oh, can be rotated like so, and this the back here also can be rotate like so, and there's no articulation here at all. So yeah, to transfer this all onto this chest piece here, gonna take off this one here and this part here and this eye. Same goes with the other one here. There we go. So we have this chest piece. Slide that back in. Same goes with the other one. Oops. And put that in like so. And finally this part. There we go. So first of all, we need to take off this head and the legs here. Okay, there we go. Next is to replace it with this new armor leg. This is the other one here. There we go. Next is we have the chest piece here, the all. Just simply remove this chest here and simply slide this one in. There we go. Alright, next is we have these helmet here. So to remove this one, you just simply move this part here and swap the face. I already have the face here, so put it back on again. There's a piece that we need to use from this old here. Remove this one, and same goes with this one too. Right, this piece goes here like so. Okay, like that, and the other one here. There we go. And also, don't forget her hair piece here. Remove this one and put it back on to this like so. Here we go. Ta-da! So we have our SOL Raptor. Put this one, put it back here. There we go. This is SOL Raptor with her full equipment attached to her. You have plenty of option of how you wanted to design this thing. The wings can be put any way you like on this armor. So basically this is a very cool looking design, the flight type. of Megami Device in my collection. This is a must-have Megami Device in your collection. So that's it for my review for this SOL Hornet Megami Device. I hope you guys like this very simple review of mine. More video review will come next. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a like if you like this video, and you guys can check out my other video review too, and also my custom build and everything all inside. And also don't forget to check out my Facebook page, EIZY Customizer, and give a like, follow the page, and hopefully to see you guys in the next video soon. So that's it for me today. Thank you. Bye bye.